Alright guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Samuel Joshua and this is 𝐬𝐧 Logistics. Here we discuss everything that have to do with making money, how to build your e-commerce business, how you can start many importation, and most especially we talked about arbitrage. Alright, so what you want to do to help yourself and to help this YouTube channel to grow is to subscribe as you are about to watch this video, because I'm about to show you something that you can hardly see online. So guys, let's dive into today's tutorial.
Look at it properly. Okay, so now this is my 1688 account, and there's this order that I did a mistake for. It is on transit already, but that does not mean they can still adjust it. So what this supplier will definitely do is to call the logistic guy to return to their warehouse, to return to their place. Okay, so it's just going to amend it and do the replacement. So let me show you this order, the one on transit. I click on it. Okay, so clicking on it will takes me to the list of the items of what I've bought. So these are the items that I've bought. So there is one that needs adjustments there before they deliver it to my warehouse address. This is a quick thing you want to do. So I think yes, is this guy here. So you click on any angle here, you click on any line there, so it will open the details of this is the logistic address of the logistic address. Okay, so now you scroll down, you can see that I ordered for extra large, the first one, the second one large, then the third one extra large, the fourth one large, then the last one extra large, right? So the last one is the one I made mistake with, right? So how do I get to lodge this certain complaint? The first thing you want to do now is to screenshot. So once you screenshot, you scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down, there is this guy here that says your tracking number. This, what you are seeing here, is tracking number. All right, so you click on this guy to copy it. So once you copy this guy here, you now come to this chat icon. If you want to call this supplier, this is the where you are seeing this guy here, you can call it directly, but here is to chat. So you click on this chat icon, so it will take you to the chat room of 1688 directly, that leads to the store of this same supplier. All right, so I click on this guy here, and to start the conversation, there's this thing that is urged to have shown in the screen to navigate that this is what I want to do. But let me go back and refresh this page. I want you to get this thing right. Okay, so let me do it again. So let me click on this guy now. Take me, this is it. So it will be navigating to the supplier that this is the exact item that I'm lodging complaint on. So let me click on this guy here. So clicking on it will send the details of this product that I've already bought to the supplier. So I click on this chat guy here. The next thing is, remember we copy the tracking number of this item. I will paste it. You can see that this is the tracking number now. That's the first thing to send, and the second thing rather. So you can see that this supplier is online. He has already read it. So by default, it's going to open a system to copy this tracking number there, so it will understand what I want to speak on. Okay, so the third thing you want to do is to click on this plus guy, upload the thing you want to lay complaint on. This is the guy here. I will send it. Click on this one guy here, then it has sent. All right, so now the next thing you want to do now is to type, to lay a complaint. So I click on my Google Translator here, then translate this guy. So I just told him now that can he help me make an adjustment on my order. So I click on translate. So automatically it has translated it. I click on this guy here. So let me click on it. Clicking on it will I've copied it, so I'll paste it in here. Let me paste. Let me wait for this guy. All right, so this is it here. So I'll send. Let me send to him. So I'll continue the conversation where I order for extra large. I was supposed to buy extra large. I will translate again, then I will send to him. Okay, so I'll send to him. I've sent to him. Can you help me change the one with extra large to extra large? So you can send in English, then you can copy again to translate. So it's not all of them that understand English, so I'll paste here, then I will translate. So, and I will send to him. Although he has already responded, he's reading it as I'm sending it. You see that it has already responded with 2 messages. Now let's go and read what this guy have to say. There's 2 methods to read. You can use your Google Translator and you can translate directly from this app. So how do you get this thing done? You highlight this guy here, then you copy it. Sorry, it has already responded again. Let me just, you copy this one here, come to your Google Translator, then you paste it, and then you can see he said this item has been sent away. This simply means that they've sent it. If at all is still on transit, it would have been okay. Now let me just screenshot. Let me screenshot for you to see what this guy is saying. Let me go to my Google Translator. So this method is applicable within 24 hours of you buying this item. Okay, you can make an adjustment within 24 hours. So click on my camera icon here, then upload. Okay, so let's see this guy. He said sent away. Now you see the carrier has already been sent and there is no way to adjust to modify. This simply means that they've sent this item out, so there's no way to do an adjustment. But mind you, within 24 hours you can definitely do the adjustment. Now let me show you the one that I did before. Now let me go back and show you. Let me go back. Okay, this is the chat room here, and this was this guy that helped me do this adjustment this morning. So you can see that this is it here. These are conversation like what we did, and he said what's the problem. I said I order for extra large instead of extra large. Can you help me readjust? And I still translate in English, in Chinese again. So this is what he sent to me, and let's translate it for you to see. So let me translate this guy here. So let me translate this guy for you to see. So you can see now what you order is extra large. I said yes, I want to change to extra large. He said okay. I now send the screenshots here. I send the screenshots to him. So this is what he said. He said okay. I now said I sent this emoji of please, and he said I will send 2 extra large. I said thank you in Chinese, and he said you are welcome. So you can see that he has helped me modify the order. Now you can see that this is it here. It's a very simple process. So this is how you can readjust your order within 24 hours. Okay, and it's not even only this guy. So there's this other guy too. Let me cancel this guy. There's this other guy here too. I think I have a lot of them. Okay, this is the last one. Let me go to the second one here, and this guy too has already helped me do. Is it this guy? No, it's not this guy. Let me click on this guy to see. Okay, I think it's this guy too. Yes, this guy too. He has already helped me make this adjustment as well. I want to be translating this one for the sake of our time. You can see that I still use this please emoji. So he has already helped me get it done. So this is a very simple, straightforward method you want to use to change or modify any corrections on your order. But please note, make sure it's within 24 hours. All right, so if you have get or gain any value from this video you have watched, kindly like that video, share. There is love in sharing. Share this video to others so they can learn as well. they can grow. My major aim is to make African businesses to grow, and I'm bringing importation to your doorstep. Zion Hub is bringing importation to your doorstep. So please subscribe, recommend, and like that video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.